Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Larissa and I post cleaning videos every single week. And last week I posted my first like realistic clean with me, and it was more like vlog style, and it was just more realistic instead of so structured and everything. And I was talking about how I've just been putting too much pressure on myself to have all of my videos perfect, and I have to say that I really enjoyed filming the way that I did last week, and even editing the video. I was so much happier when I was editing it, and I felt more confident when I was posting it, and it just made the entire process go so much smoother. And so this week is going to be like another vlog style clean with me. I just got done working out, so this is super realistic. I'm all sweaty and I really need to shower, but after I work out, I don't like to get in the shower right away because I'm really hot and I can't take a cold shower. Like, I have to take a warm shower, and but since I'm already hot, I don't want to jump in and take a warm shower, so I always like to let my body like cool down a little bit before I get into the shower, just so I don't get too hot in there. But while I'm like letting my body cool down, typically what I do is straighten up a little bit. And so this living room is a disaster. Let me show you. So this is the current state of my living room. I always push the coffee table over there so that I can do my workout in this big area. And so yeah, I pretty much just need to move the table back, and then I have all of these like cushions from my patio furniture outside. If you didn't see last week, I got like an outdoor couch to go on my patio right there. But all the cushions are in here because we had a really bad storm last night and it was super windy. So we had to bring all these cushions in so that they didn't blow away or anything. And then we just also have random stuff like computer, shoes. I just need to like fix the couch. I need to wipe everything off. Like, I need to dust this. Both of the end tables, there's like cobwebs in my lamps, so I need to clean my lamps out. Also the coffee table I need to wipe off, and then I need to vacuum. So I'm gonna start off in here, and then maybe by the time that I'm done with this room, then I'll be able to shower, and then we'll just see where the day takes us from there. So let's go ahead and get started on this room.
Hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. You here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine.
Okay, so it is probably like an hour later. I've showered and I had some lunch. I'm trying to multitask here. Woo, okay. And I have a dentist appointment. Oops, sorry. I have a dentist appointment in about 30 minutes. So I need to leave in about 15 minutes. But first, I wanted to at least vacuum the living room just so that this room can be done. And then whenever I get back later, I can focus on a different room. I just like to get a room completely done before I move on so that it feels like I'm actually like making progress, you know? So I'm going to vacuum the living room. And then I might end up like making the bed or something, but yeah, and then I'll have to finish this up later on after my appointment. Actually, after my appointment, I have to run to school. They've been letting us in these last couple days because of we have to basically get our classroom summer ready, which is where you basically get everything up off the floor, put away into cabinets so that they can like come in and deep clean your classroom. So there's a couple things that I have to do there. I'm helping a friend of mine, a teacher that I work with, pack up her room because she's moving buildings and she only has like 3 more days to pack up her classroom, and we're not allowed to invite anyone into the building that doesn't work at the school. So anyways, I'm gonna go and help her and finish up a couple things in my room, but we're only allowed to be in there till 4, and it's already like almost 1:15, so I'm not gonna be there that long after my appointment. So but anyways, before I leave and go do all that, I do want to vacuum, possibly make the bed like I said, and then I'll just finish everything up after I get back.
I've been waiting for this, yeah. It's been up on my mind, though it's hard to resist. Feeling like one of a kind. Oh, now the hard time's over. I'm for a moment. I won't look back now. Yeah, and it's moving closer. I can feel it coming. Oh, now it's my time now. It's another game that I'm playing.
Okay, so I'm back home now. I went to my dentist appointment, no cavities, so exciting. I normally always have at least 1 cavity, so the fact that I don't have any is amazing. And then I went to the school like I said, and then I took Jasper on a walk. It's so nice out. And now I'm back, and as you can tell, I'm in my bedroom. And it's already almost 5 o'clock, so I'm not gonna like make my bed totally, like put all the throw pillows on. I'm not gonna do all that. I'm just going to like straighten out the covers, and I've talked about this in a different video, but like when the covers are all like lopsided and twisted up, it's just very hard for me to relax, like crawling into bed to go to sleep. So anyways, I'm just gonna like straighten up the covers and the pillows. The furniture in here doesn't really need to be dusted, but I just need to clear some stuff off. There's some stuff on the floor. I need to rehang these curtains on this window. They fell down like probably 3 weeks ago. We use command hooks to hold them up, and they just fall down every couple months. So if anyone has a suggestion for me on how to keep curtains hung up without like putting a nail in the wall, because we rent an apartment, please let me know. But for now, we just use command hooks and then replace it every couple months like I said. So I just need to rehang that back up and then vacuum. So in here it shouldn't take me that long. I'm just going to straighten up the bed, clear off the nightstands, hang up the curtain, and vacuum. So I'm going to get started on that now.
Isn't this the good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out there for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on.
It's rolling. Trying to be in it?
No.
Okay. Okay, so we had a slight inconvenience in the bedroom. I wasn't able to rehang the curtains because we're missing the command hook that we need, that we always hang the curtains with. And so until I get some of those, I won't be able to hang the curtains. So they're still sitting on the floor for now, but everything else in here is done. And now I'm gonna move into the kitchen, which is very disastrous. Okay, let me just, yeah. Like, all this needs to be put away. The dishwasher is clean. I need to unload, reload. I need to have Matt put this up for me after I clean out the dish that goes on the inside. Because that goes up here. Actually, I might just put that up because the fridge needs to be wiped off. It's really dirty up there. So yeah. And I hate, see how bad the lighting is? That table's a whole other situation. We're not going to be doing that today. I hate filming in here because the lighting is so weird with these cabinets. They're like orangey. So it like, the lighting is just so orange. Oh, another thing I need to do is clean out the microwave and Jasper's food and water bowls. I haven't done that in a while. And I just need to clean up his little area. Let me just show you. Yeah. So we're gonna get started on that now.
Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Isn't it a big crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? And on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? Keep playing my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear? Lay low in the beach's sun, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Isn't this a good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on a rose.
Okay, so I'm currently really upset because I filmed myself cleaning like the first half of me doing the dishes, putting them in the dishwasher and stuff. And then whenever I was cleaning out the crock pot dish, I got like the first part of me like scooping out the cheese. Like that was disgusting. The cheese itself was good when it was first made, but it definitely was not good. Like you could see it was cracked and stuff, and it had only been in there for like 2 days. But it just needed to go, clearly. But I like zoomed in and got some like close-ups of me cleaning it, and I forgot to hit record, so, but it's clean, as you can see. So anyways, I'm gonna dry these now, and then I'll get started cleaning out the microwave.
I just started to learn and feeling my way through the dark. I can handle the most, but I'm a slave to your heart. We should leave right here, no matter what the price, and no more tears. Just a smile from you would suffice. Would you stay right here? Would you hold me tight? If I told you this might be our last night, it's just not enough.